cannot watch reels on Instagram facing this something and wrong problem? You can fix this by watching this video within 2 minutes. Open your mobile setting and follow me. Go to this connection option, then click on more connection settings, then click on private DNS and turn it off. Now go back to the main menu, scroll down and go to this apps option. Search for Instagram and click on it. Then click on storage option. Now clear this. If you remember your Instagram password, then clear app data, otherwise don't clear it. Now again go to this connection option and turn on airplane mode, wait some moment and turn it off again. Now open your Play Store and search for Instagram. Update the Instagram app if there any update available. Now go back and log in your Instagram account. Now you can watch the reels again without any problem. Thank you.